In this lesson, we'll create a collapsible list. Drag in a rectangle to create the heading section and enter Heading 1. Change the border color. Then, duplicate the heading to create the content section. Right-click and select Fill with Lorem Ipsum for placeholder text. Select both the heading and content sections and create a dynamic panel. Enter the dynamic panel, select the heading, and add a click interaction. Set the dynamic panel state to Next and select Wrap from last to first. Under Special Behavior, choose Push-Pull Widgets below. Duplicate State 1, then delete the content section in State 2. Duplicate the dynamic panel, then change the new panel's heading to Heading 2. Duplicate the dynamic panel again and change this heading to Heading 3. Preview the prototype. When you click the heading, the content section collapses, pulling up all elements below it. Clicking the heading again expands the content section, pushing down all elements below it.